Looking for the best binoculars to elevate your outdoor adventures or get closer to the action? You're in the right place. We upload quality videos daily to help you discover top-rated products that truly deliver. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert picks and helpful reviews. Number 1. Celestron Outland X10x42. The Celestron Outland X10x42 binoculars are priced so that people who are new to binoculars or folks looking for another pair can pick them up and enjoy them without a heavy investment. Though they may not be as premium as some other binos on this list, they've certainly earned their spot here. But don't let their budget-friendly price fool you. You can still expect a quality build and clear optics from the Outland X. The initial appeal of these binoculars is their compact size. But since we tested them in the middle of one of the hottest and wettest summers on record, they needed to be both fog-proof and weather-resistant. If the Outland XS could meet these demands, then they would be optimal for outdoor enthusiasts. We're happy to report back, after more than a month in the elements, they did. However, there's a flip side to every coin. First and foremost, these aren't for stargazing like their sisters, the Celestron SkyMaster Pro 15x70. Number 2. Vortex Diamondback HD 8x42. The Diamondback HD binoculars by Vortex, $290, were one of our hottest runner-ups. These optics can hold a candle to any other pair of binoculars on the market. Users should always prioritize lens quality when buying a pair of binoculars. In this category, Vortex is especially hard to beat. The brand's patented HD optics are designed to give the ultimate viewing experience in terms of resolution, sharpness, light capture, and color fidelity. No matter the light conditions, the Diamondback HD 8x42 binoculars guarantee excellent visibility. Further, binoculars are often tossed in backpacks or exposed to the elements on the trail. Vortex recognizes this and has protected its Diamondback HD lenses with armor tech to shield them from grime, dirt, oil, scratches, and anything else that can compromise the viewing experience. Beyond the optics, the Diamondback HD binoculars build is tough to beat. At their core, these binoculars are light and durable, and the outer rubber coating adds an extra layer of protection and grip. Number 3. Vortex Viper HD 10x42. Every serious birdwatcher has a personal preference for the best binoculars for birding. However, most would agree that the ideal pair should have magnification in the 8x to 10x range to spot birds at a distance while still maintaining a relatively stable hand. Further, binoculars with objective lenses in the 42mm range let in adequate light while promoting contrast in the field of view. If you want a pair of binoculars that also has a short focus to enable easy observation of the many intricate and beautiful details of avian anatomy, then you've found a solid pair in the Viper HD 10x42 binoculars by Vortex, $650. The simple and elegant design is durable and light, making it a no-brainer to bring them on every birdwatching adventure. We only winced a little at the price, but if you're a serious birder, it's a small price to pay for quick identification in the field. Number 4. Celestron SkyMaster Pro 15x70. High-powered stargazing isn't limited to just telescopes, and a good pair of astrobinoculars like the Celestron SkyMaster Pro 15x70, $260, is both an affordable and accurate view piece to seeing far into the night sky. While many other binoculars on our list have a magnification of 8 or 10, the SkyMasters punch it into 15, providing the necessary zoom to see deep into space. The 70mm objective lens size is also larger than most to make space for as much light as possible. Once we had set the separation between the eyes on these binoculars, we were looking into parts of the sky our naked eye could only dream to spy. The housing is made up of polycarbonate and aluminum, and clad in a rubber sheath that helps to keep bumps and bruises minimal. The whole kit is waterproofed as well, with dry nitrogen gas within the lenses to prevent fogging. Number 5. Leupold BX 5cm HD 10x42. The top of the line from Leupold, the BX 5cm HD 10x42 binoculars, $1,000, well earned the price tag in our testing. These binoculars get the full treatment when it comes to optical clarity and incorporate Leupold's professional-grade optical system, a setup that blew us away in the field. That quality all comes via the open bridge roof prism design, which has been fully multi-coated on all sides of the prisms for the best reflection control. Those prisms also boast phase coatings to represent true color through the glass better, and the whole affair is protected by the Diamond Coat 2 treatment on the objective lenses, a coating that greatly bumps up the abrasion resistance, and Leupold's Guard Ion hydrophobic treatment.